Yo, what's up everyone? So ngayon ay maglalaro po tayo ng Midnight Station, and it's a horror game here on Roblox. So sabi, on your way to your job at the local gas station, you decide to turn on the radio to calm your nerves. May paganan. But instead, the radio warns you about a creep that has been spotted around the city. Will you able to survive while he is on the loose? Guys, gantong muka. Literal, ganyang muka. Sa tingin nyo magsusurvive tayo? Grabe, hindi po. I surrender. Syempre, hindi tayo ganun kabilis mag-surrender. So, lalaruin natin to. Tara na, tara na. So, guys, eto na po tayo sa laro. We're here, tara na. Eto na po tayo. At ako'y maghahanap ako ng aking kalaro. Opo, ayun o, ang dami nila doon, guys. Dito na tayo. Ano pa ba? Ano pang hinihintay? Teleporting na! Oh my gosh! Sayang! Oh. Ate, maghanap na tayo. Ay! Ate! Ba't ka na dito, te? Anong ginagawa mo dito, te? Hala! Meet and greet pa to, Charis. Ang OA talaga. So guys, I'll be right back. May capybara pa doon. Capybara. Okay, maglalaro talaga ako, legit. Ayan na, mag-join kayo. Isa. Mag-join kayo. Ay, di na ako.
Uy, tagal! Ako lang! Guys, hindi ko kaya. Siyempre, magiging walang maglalaro-laro dito.
Grabe sila nung nag-live ako doon sila. Oy, baka naglalag ako, diba? Oo naman. Excellent! Studio, oh my gosh! This is it, guys. I'm so excited. Uy, ang ganda ng... bongga, nakakotse. Sino kayo dyan? Kala ko lakad-lakad lang. May talaga. Why do I always get stuck with the night shift? There's something about creepy about that. Talaga. Charis, para naman ako ng lolo. Maybe they have something on the radio that will suit my mind about it. Ang bongga ko dun. Turns on the radio. Hey, grabe.
Emergency broadcast, do not go out tonight, as we have been alerted as a serial killer on the loose.
Oh, there is a serial killer. Oh my gosh.
The police do not want anyone to go outside tonight to ensure public safety. We'll take you for your understanding.
Nakaka-creepy. Oh my gosh. Guys, kinakabahan ako.
Please lock your doors and windows. If you see anything suspicious, please report it to the local authorities ASAP.
Oh my gosh. Ang creepy, guys. Turns off the radio. Diba? Imbes na masuit yung mind ko. Diba real? Just my luck. I'm sure it's nothing serious ito. Nothing serious? Ate, hindi nakakaganda ng mindset. Ay, Charis. Ano naman ang kotse ko, bongga? Bongga. Tara na. Let's go na, guys. Arat na. Stretching si kuya. Ang bongga, stretching yarn. Tell worker to clock out. Hey, it's your time to clock out, man. Man. Ate, nag-stretching na nga.
Finally, have you heard the news? I found burglary.
Bakit?
Mom,
Look, I'm sure it will be fine. Just another night. Oh my gosh, tayo ang nakatoka. Tayo.
whatever, dude. I'm out of here. This place give me the grips, dude.
Galing ko daw.
Also, just between us two, I got kind of hungry and might have ate a lot of food off the shelf. Anyway,
Wow,
see you later. Well, maybe,
sama.
if you're still alive.
Ang creepy dito. Tignan mo. Stretching. Ano yan? Tignan mo mukha niyan, oh. Ano yan? Ate ko. Mukhang na yan eh. Hit ka na. Oh my gosh. Ito, sino to? Employee of the... Dapat ako nandyan. Dapat ako yung nandyan. Go. Okay. Guys, kinakabahan ako, guys. Ano na? Aras. Ay. Anis. Ayo. Ang baho, oh. Ay. Nadulas pa ako. Katamahan talaga ang pinapairan. the radio. Well, I guess I should probably restock the shelf since... Uy, ang creepy. Ayaw ko na. Itigil na natin to. I didn't know better. I would have done. Uy, paano mag-restock? Guys, I'm very sorry. I don't know. Ito. I'm a, employee of the month to tol. Employee of the month to.
Kasi pag kami, di kami tamad. Di kami kagaya mo. Yun yung nagsiseparate sa ating dalawa. Kaya kung ikaw tamad ka, huwag mo akong kausapin. Don't even fucking dare to fucking talk to me, bro. Di tayo parehas.
Eh! Tapos na! Kasi I'm amazing. Super amazing ko na. What's that, bro? Uy, saan na yung kasama ko? Ito. Creepy. Uy, Gogi. Ikaw na magbenta, tol. Ano yan? Saan na? Saan? Ba't naman? Ay, ang creepy ni madam, oh. Madam, ang creepy mo, madam. Naka-jacket ka pa dyan. Siya na daw magbebenta ako na nag-restock eh. Oh. Finally! What took so long? What took so long? We haven't even been waiting very long. Tama! Itong pagmumukha nito. Sama-sama. Whatever. Just ring me up already. Feel ko mamamatay to. Mga ganyan mamamatay yan. Your total is $5.57. You're impatient. I'll be calling out corporate about this experience. Totoo naman ah. Tignan mo mukha mo oh. Pangit. Huwag ka na babalik dito. Ay, attitude si ate. Uy, may pera. Gusto ko to. Ayan, grab. Syempre. Hey, let's go na pre. So glad she finally left. Real. Ang creepy naman. Ano ba yun? Uy, ang creepy nun guys oh. Ano yun? Ano yun? Hello, umiikot si kuya oh. Ayan, I'm for the park. Let's go. Uy, hindi yan. Feel ko hindi. Mukha siyang mayaman, guys. That's it. Yeah, mukha siyang mayaman. Okay. Ano pong inyong, binili? Bawal to itakas ha. Baka assistant cost. Hey! Hey! Yun lang, hey. Para siya. Hi! Ay, yun na yun. Ba't ba ganyan yung ulo nila? Like ba nila mag-stretch? Can you ring? Ay, ang bait. Go, ring mo na yan. I mean, sure, I guess. That will be 7.9. Okay. Ang galing. Here you go. Thank you po! Thank you! Take na yan, di ba? O, bongga. Take ulit. O, bongga. Take ulit. O, bongga. Uy, ang galing ah. Di sinasaran yung pinto. Ay. Napaka-attitude talaga ng cashier na to. Okay. Okay po. Asan na po? Ano na po? Anes na. Ano na pong, ganap. Asaan na? Customer, bili na kayo. Bago pa malugi ang store na ito. Please po, bili na kayo. Bye, bye, bye. Oh my gosh, ang creepy na ng vibes ah. It's not giving guys ah. Ano na pre? Assist the customer. May customer ba? Ayun siya guys. Ang creepy niya. Ba't siya nakaganyan? Ang creepy niya guys. Oh, tignan nyo. Ba't siya buksan mo kasi yung pinto, kuya. For real. Me too. Me too. Me too, bro. Bukas mo na yun. Bukas mo na. Ang creepy ba naman ni ate, oh. Oh, yeah. Ba't ka bumalik, bro? Bro, ano ba? Walang doon. Ako na. There's the guy in the red shirt creeping out here. Huh? I'm not sure who you're talking about, ma'am. Kuya, saan na yung customer ko? Am I speaking different? The guy in the red... Kuya, ano sinasabi mo? Madam! Just forget about it. Don't want you to think too hard. Oh my gosh! No need to be rude, ma'am. I just know that I'm supposed to be the only one working right now. Okay. Baka yung keep the change. Ay, thanks, madam. Like you need it more than me. Thank you, madam. si Madam. Ang creepy di Madam. Biglang natapit niya. Madam, saan ka papunta, Madam? Parang, ay, tumago siya, guys. Kunyari, hindi ko nakita yon. Ma'am, these customers today have been ruthless. True. Oh my gosh, kapre. Uy. Pre, ano na, pre? Kinukuha ako. Ba't yung kanta kasi ganun? Ano bang red? Hala, baka ito na yun. Go. Hala, baka siya na. Ah. Oh, hindi pa siya. Hey you! What are you doing here all night? Like this. I work here, dude. Tama! We're working, oh. Can't you see we're a hard-working human being?
Oh my God! Wow!
Well, you know, there's a maniac on the loose, right? Bro! Yeah, I heard the news. Kami na to. Kaya na namin talunin yun. You've been warned. We believe the maniac is targeting gas station employees.
You might be the next.
Ay! Ba't ganon? He's been reported wearing a red shirt and being terribly ugly. Call the police if you see anything suspicious. Hello? Clue, napakapangit niya. Okay, salamat po sa clue. Thank you po. Just my luck, the maniac is apparently targeting station employees. Pre, ikaw na bahala, pre. Ayaw ko ta, pre. Ay, lang. Ano na? Asa na? Magpakita. Oh my gosh! Ano ba? What is this guy doing? Oh my gosh! Bakit to? Go, asa na siya? What are you doing? You should get going, man. Siya na yun! Ang pangit niya! Oh my gosh, pre. Ba't kanya ang ulo niyan? Ang pangit mo, pre. Grabe. Get a move on, Al. Hala, wala na. Pre, ikaw na lang dyan. I'm going to call the cops then. Yan, tama. Umalis ka na. Tingnan mo, pa-implant ka na sa buhok eh. Hehe, no need for that. Anong hehe? Anong hehe ka dyan? Ang pangit mo. I'll see you again. No, never. Anong soon ka dyan? Very soon. Oh my gosh. Tingnan nyo yung ulo niya, guys, oh. Grabe, parang pugad na. Napakaba. Ba't ka ba? Oh my gosh. Guys, kinakabahan na ako. Walang magkukwit. The kind of stuff I deal with during the night. Actually, guys, nakakatawa yung buhok niya. What? I don't know, bro. Oh, later in the night shift. Guys. Ala, baka yung panot. Biglang pumasok. Please. Oh my gosh. Ah! Grab map. Map there. Asan yung map? Ayan. Ang creepy, guys. Ang creepy. Wala pala akong map. Ito pala map. Grab the map. Ayun na pala, may map na pala. Okay, let's get the map and then do the map. Ba't ba may ano dito? Guys, wait lang pre! Wait lang! Ba't ka na yung mata? Ang creepy. Okay. Hoy, baka siya na to pre. Oh my gosh! Hey! Hala mo siya guys, ano, yayamanin si Kuya. Kuya, welcome! Welcome to our store! Okay, let's go. Bili ka lang po, Kuya. Kuya, lalabas yung hangin. Lalabas yung hangin. Feeling talaga. Uy, sikot. Kala ko, ano. Hey there. Just this drink, please. Okay. It will be 3.50. Okay. Nag-stretching sila ng ulo nila, guys. Nakakahawa. Yan yung pera. Take. Kailan ba mag-uumaga? Ang tagal mag-umaga, guys. What if dito lumabas? Ayan, hala, tara silip. Oh my gosh, iba ang kotse. Tignan ka natin, paano? Kalbo, guys. Ay, hindi pa. Nag-camouflage lang pala yung anit niya guys sa background. Ano ba yun? Ba't ba ganun yung kanta? Ang creepy naman. Okay. Ano na pre? Ano na pre? Now, wow, I'm surprised this place is even open right now. Ang creepy ng ulo nila nakailang beses na ako sabi, why is that? Why is that? Ano? Haven't you heard? There's a murderer around here. He's coming to kill us all. Ay, wag mo na kami idamay, te. I think I'll be fine. I know how to defend. Ay, sure ka ba? Parang, good luck with that. Here's your money. I'm out of here. Hindi, lumayas ka na. Ewan. Salamat. Pre, kunin mo na yan, pre. Kanina pa ako nangunguha ng pera dito. I need to empty the trash can. Hala, siya na lang. Asan na siya? Ha? Asan na siya? Okay. Okay na ba ha? Si Kuya kinuha. Please, sasamahan kita, pre. Pre, sasamahan kita, pre. Wala ko trash. Uy. Go throw out the trash in the dumpster. Okay, let's go! Baho! Kamoy. Hey! Uy, ano to? Ba't mo binuksan? Uy, go! Uy, gali na. Go! Oh my gosh! Sama dito! Sinaraduan ako dito! Sama! Oh my gosh! How much will these drinks cost? Let me see. $6.99, sir. Haha, you're funny. Seriously though? How much? Ano ba? I'm serious. Oo nga, nakakatawa doon. Gipit ka lang huwag ka na bumili ng tubig. These prices are outrageous. Here's $4. Take it or leave it. Ay kuya, ilib mo yung bote kuya. Put mo na tayo. Parang ewan si kuya oh. Uy, ano na naman yun? Feel ko yung radyo yun. Okay. Asan na yung Notski Nots? Pre, ano yan? Nagawa mo, pre? Ay, ayan na, gogi. Hala, ba't yan? Okay. Oh, iba pala. Hala, saan siya pupunta? Ala, si kuya, For the ihi lang, walang bili. Hindi po pwede yan. Opo, hindi po pwede yan. Magbigay naman po kayo pang maintenance ng banyo po. Opo. Saan na siya? Wait, lumabas ba siya? Wait, asan siya? Ayun siya, guys. Tapang! Ako nga din. Tatapang ako. Ayan, Dito siya pupunta. Okay. Ginudge ko naman kagad siya. Oo. Sorry, Judger. Ba't ba ganyan ulo niya? Hey! I was gonna use your bathrooms, but the toilets are... Ay! Hala! Ano ka pa? Can the man find a peaceful place to go? Number 2? Hala, ang yabang ko pa. Sorry, sir. I'll clean... Anong clean? Walang ganyan! Kuya, makikiihi ka na lang, kuya. Wala ka namang binili, Ugali. Okay, let's go na, guys. Let's clean the toilet. Sir, lock mo na nga, pre. Saan na siya, gago? Ay. Where is he? Nagkumuha na ba siya? Magki-clean kasi kami, guys. Ay, ayun pala! Toilet cleaner. Okay, kukuha lang ako, guys, ng toilet cleaner. Ayan. What are you doing? You almost gave me a heart attack. Grabe. Mukha niya kasi, ano ba yan? What do you mean? I'm just here to use the bathroom. Feel ko siya yung nagkakalat No! Leave right now or I'll have you trespass. You're a weirdo. What a weirdo. Hala, ba't ako napunta dito? Where did he go? Bro, nasaan si bro? Cute naman. Asan na malinis na yung banyo. Grabe, nag-teleport ako, guys. Iniwan ko siyang, oo. Si kuya naman, mukhang ewan. Mukhang creep, charis. Ang creepy talaga nito. Ito, nanulak na naman to. Go na, tara na. Wala na bang customer? Oh my gosh. What a weirdo. What a weirdo. Hala, kuya, ikaw na magbenta, kuya. Talk to the creep. You shouldn't have come to work today. Didn't you hear the news? I'll make you regret all of this. Talaga ba? Talaga ba?
Talaga, Charmin, fuck you.
Ano, kakayot mo yung ulo mo? Na napakapunta. Eme. Di ba matapang kami? Ano na, pre? Gagi, please. Nag-disappear na siya, guys. Matapang kami. Wala kayong magagawa doon. Cherries. Let's go! Investigate what happened out. Kakalabas lang namin. Wala kaming nakita, guys. May sunog! May sunog! May sunog! Cherries. May sunog! Nasa sunog! Ay, ito si Pangit, What the? Did you cause this? Oh, malamang. I told you I would make you regret showing up to work tonight. Ewan ko sa'yo, te. Now, you're going to be my next victim. Ay, okay. Huwag takot ako. Oh my gosh. Why did he die? Why did he die? Okay. Have to call the police. That's it. I'm going to call the police. We're going to give justice. Oh my gosh, I'm so sad right now. Home greens. Why did he die? Ano na? Sabi niyo walang pulis, di ako natutuwa. Hello? This is the police department. How can I help you? Please hurry. There is this creepy that chased me inside the gas station. Oh my gosh. Are you sure that wasn't a homeless person? Malamang! Tama ba? He also caused a car crash. He's the serial killer from the news. Oh my gosh. Okay. We've dispatched 2 officers to your location. Please. Oh my gosh, ayaw ko na. Oh my gosh. Oh no. The power went out. I need to fix the fuse. Oh my gosh, really? Oh my gosh. Ayoko na ako eh. Kabado, pinatay ko na guys. Ayaw ko na. Oh my gosh. Ayaw ko na malikod. I should hide until the police. Dito na ako, guys. Dito na lang ako. I can stay here or risk hiding in the bathroom. Stay! Wala man. I mean, he would think that I was here, right? Oh, hindi na ako kaya. Hindi na kaya, guys. It's just an, oh my gosh, wala na. Kaya sa kami. Oh my gosh. The police arrived at the scene, but it was too late. You didn't hide it, but you were caught and taken by the Sorry.
Hi guys! So, dito na po nagtatapos yung video. So, please like and subscribe. So, medyo nagloko yung laptop nung dulo, no? So, yeah. Thank you so much!